Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print Google Calendar on mobile phone. So here, what you need to do is open the Google Calendar on your browser. In this case, I'm opening the Google Chrome. So you don't need to open the Google Calendar app. Here, just search for Google Calendar. Okay. And now click on the three dots icon at the top right corner and enable the desktop side to be able to print the Google Calendar. Click on the Google Calendar on the first. Okay, so here is my Google Calendar, and to print the calendar, click on the gear icon. Okay, I'm going to zoom in this one, and here you'll see the print option. Click on that print, and this is my calendar. So this is the total pages 5. Here you can just select the print range. You can also adjust the view, adjust the font size, orientation, and after that just click on print and select the printer. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.